Here we go. I'm gonna get the hot stuff out of the way. I just made these wings. These are the sauces. This is not my first rodeo, as they say. So let's go. We got classic hot sauce, an original. Am I gonna do this? Ooh, fuck it. That's good. Bit of taste. Melinda's. Let's see what you got, Melinda. Actually, why am I doing that? It's that good. Such a great taste. Oh, here we go now. Dave's Insanity. I remember this one. This one's hot. I remember this one. It's not that tasty. And you know what? They say it's hot. I don't feel nothing yet. Okay, pitter patter, let's get at her. This one here, I really like the packaging and I'm excited to try it. I was a bartender, so flip it. Let's see what we got here. Shake it, don't break it. Really chunky. I'm feeling that after 4. We're in Canada. You know, they say a creature habit. This is my go-to every day. Canada Dry Ginger Ale. I got champagne taste on a beer budget. Marie Sharp, here we go. I went out with a girl named Marie. She was not that sharp. So let's see what you got, Marie. Oh, that's not hot. It's so tasty. That is tasty. Gringo, Sandito. Let's see what Bandito has. 3 gulps. Kind of sweet. Not that hot. Next. Ooh, Steve. Oh, I like this guy. Wild Ride. Steve O. There's a saying, when a girl was so hot, you'd eat the peanuts out of her, you know what, but this brought me back to the good old days of the burning ring, and I'd eat the peppers out of that, Steve. Good job. That was hot, Steve O. Steve O rode me like a rented mule. Good one, Steve O. Steve O in the house. All right, what do we got here? Number 7? This one's not happening. Too thick. Ginger goat. Let's see what you got, goat. I like it. Oh my God, this is the hottest one. It's not even that hot. I don't know what it was. I guess Mad Dog 357. My dog is a good dog, and the 357, I guess, stands for 357,000 Scoville units. And it's their 25th anniversary, just like Wild Wing. They just turned 25. I opened 25 years ago. I sold it. Good job, Mad Dog. This is interesting, spontaneous combustion, because when I started Wild Wing, this was the only sauce I imported. I would add this as an additive to all my wings. And that was the hottest one.